In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the valence panel on your Honda Accord. Using a trim tool, we're going to take off all the clips on the upper grille. Remove the Phillips head screw on the corner of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. We're also going to remove the third row of clips. Start at one corner of the bumper and pull straight out. And disconnect the bumper from the clips. And then do the same thing on the other side. Remove the connector for the fog light. Push on the tab and pull down. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you have your connectors undone, remove the bumper. Remove all of the clips along the front of the bumper. There should be clips all through here. Our car only has these two. Using a trim tool, remove the clips along the far edge. And then we're able to pull this plastic piece straight up and out. Remove the two Phillips head screws on either side of the lower grille. We're going to remove our front valence piece, remove all of the clips along here. We're going to push these clips down, and as we do that, pull forward on our valence piece. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pry down, and we're going to pull our valence piece out of the lower grille, go along the whole bottom row, and do this. Pulling the valence piece out as we do it. And then remove the valence piece. Install the front valence piece onto the front bumper. Install your Phillips head screws. Install this diffuser piece. Then we're going to install the clips around the painted part of the bumper. And these holes right here. Install the connectors for the fog lights. Do the same thing on the other side. Start at one corner of the vehicle and pop the bumper into the fender. Then pull it around and click it into the other side and under the headlights. Tuck the fender liner in behind the bumper. Install the Phillips head screw. Install the clips into the top of the grille. There should be 4. Install the clips along this line.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.